Oh, the sun's come out. It's absolutely beautiful this time of day when the sun comes out. I'm driving my wife's car. Making sure I'm keeping to the speed limit. It's 80 kilometres an hour here. My wife always wants me to drive with the cruise control on to make sure that I keep within the speed limit. I have to stop lights. Red light here. Red light here. Dear. There are a set of corner of McLennan Drive and Quarry Road. Picking up speed, going up to 70, cruising up to 80, bombs away! A bit wet on the road still because it was raining earlier. All is good. Past McLennan Reserve. This is where they play all the soccer games. I'll come to the intersection or the roundabout and you can turn right here at SKYE Road and get onto the freeway. But we're not going that way. We're going to keep going straight along McLennan Drive all the way to the very end. And we'll be turning right to go all the way down to the Frankston CBD. I'm just driving past the McLennan Gallery. Never been there yet. Must go. Coming towards the main intersection here, where you can turn right to go to the Keringal Hub and Frankston CBD, and on one side there is a Coles service station, on the other side of the Peninsula Private Hospital. lot of cars on the road, mainly because it's 4 o'clock, so there'll be a lot of people finishing work, or kids still being transported home from school. Now we've got the green light to turn right. The green light to turn right. We've turned right. And here on this great big intersection you can turn left to go to Portsea on the Peninsula Freeway, or you can keep going to Frankston. So we're going to keep going to Frankston. On the right hand side here is a Mitre 10 and a Dan Murphy's. Dan Murphy's very important. It's Cranbourne Road we've turned into. I thought I knew the road. Cranbourne Road. The sun is shining right into my face, so I put the sunshade down, just for a bit of protection. Beautiful morning. I can speed up to 80 now. 80. Going. Got St. John of God Rehabilitation Centre on our left. Got the Fratelli restaurant, KFC and McDonald's, all in the same precinct. And as we drive further down Cranbourne Road towards Frankston CBD, we have the the famous Frankston RSL. Must be careful, the speed limit here is 70. Slow down. On the left hand side here we have a great big shopping, every type of shop you can imagine. Now we are now on the corner of Cranbourne Road and McMahon's Road. Just drove past the Frankston Cemetery. Ooh, don't want to go there yet. The speed limit coming into the Frankston CBD is 60. So I have to watch it. As I'm driving into Frankston CBD, on the right hand side is the park aquatic centre. We go to the pool. Just about now at the Frankston CBD. Sun is still shining, glaring through the windscreen. Honestly. Right, I'm in the Frankston CBD now. Got to watch these roundabouts, just in case I don't collect an old lady. Main points. I have reached my destination at the Frankston CBD. Do you agree? Shooby dooby dooby dooby. Shooby dooby dooby. Here we go. FRANKSTON. Turning off my engine now.